Hey guys, just a potential trade setting up here. So this high is 59 and this is 56. So right now we've got a lower high on price and a much higher high on the stochastics. Now whether this ends up to be a trade or not, it'll pan out in the next few minutes, but right now I'm watching this trade or potential trade, pardon me. So this is that real-time look that you guys need to kind of get used to and watch for. So whether this pans out or not, I don't know. But right now, if we get a crossover on the stochastics, we're going to get a trade. As long as this price doesn't pop up above this previous swing high. So I'll hit pause and come back and see how it all pans out, if it does pan out at all. Talk to you in a bit. Okay guys, this is a very cool situation. So the previous trend lines that I drew here to show the hidden divergence are now null and void because this is now higher and not lower. Okay, so that nixes that opportunity, or does it? So now, because this has gone up and continued to go up, prices continue to go up, it has dragged the stochastics up as well. So what has happened is we now have the higher high on this previous swing high. I'll draw the trend line. So now we're down here. So interesting, we still have a trade potentially, and we're still waiting for the crossover on the stochastics. Or again, if somebody wants to do the trend line, they can wait for that to break and close below. It's up to you, whatever you've decided to use as your entry. So, or a combo of both. So now I've got too many lines on here. I'll get rid of these. So now this is what we're looking at. This is a potential trade setup. Higher high on the stochastics, lower high on the price. So I will hit pause and we'll see if this gives us a trade. Okay, talk to you in a bit. Okay guys, we ended up getting a trade. So I got short, and you can see the lines are just about where they kind of should be from the previous drawings that I did. So I'll just adjust them up here. And that one can stay the same. So you can see the hidden divergence. We got a higher high on the price, a lower high on, a lower high on the price, a higher high on the stochastic, and that gave us our entry once we had the cross on the stochastics. And give you trend line guys, you would have gotten in once that closed below. So I'm going to put my, I think I'm, what am I at here, like 12, 13 pips, 13, 14 pips for above this swing high for my stop, and then that'll give me about the same on the bottom end here for my target. And that's it. So we'll let the trade play out, see how it all works out. I will hit pause and talk to you in a bit. See ya. Hey guys, we're back. I got stopped out. I drew in the blue line as my entry, and then the bottom red line is my target, and the top one as my stop, which got hit obviously. Now I didn't want to move my stop to break even here. It just wasn't close enough to my to my exit. However, when it went back up and went to my entry, and then I thought, you know, if it comes back down and hits this, you know, this low here, which was, oops, I moved that up, which was, oh, let me get rid of this, moving average, delete. Okay, so that was low of 48. So if, you know, once I went back to my entry price, if it would have come back to this low here of 48, I would have moved my stop to break even, which it didn't. So I hung in there and ended up getting stopped out. But I thought we were in business here because, you know, these two candles were looking good, but not to be. So be it. Day's not over. You know, we'll see what else happens. But I did want to show you that. That was an interesting little trade, how it all worked out. So glad I got to show you that. Okay, guys, talk to you soon. Take it easy.